Okay guys, so we've got the turbo off, we've got it to the basement, we've got the car plugs from CPI, Car Plug International, need a hole filling, come to us. So we're using these lots, car plugs. We've got some new shiny studs and nuts. Let's get the turbo up here to show you what's going on. So if you can see in there, that car plug has got a hole. It's got a hole in it. So we need to try getting that car plug out. A little clean up. So when we get the car plug out, we don't want dirt falling back in there. Give me a flat screwdriver, please. Big, long, small. Just give me any normal size fish. Okay. Let's see if this just pops out or what. No. Ah, okay. We've got it, people. We've got it. You see that?
Yeah.
We've got it. It's popped out. Ew, put your light on in there. Let's see the corrosion in there. Yeah, look at the gunk in there. That definitely needs a clean up. Let's see if you can give this a nice clean. That definitely needs a clean up. See if these plugs are the same size. Hold on. So we've got two plugs. We've got one deep one and one smallish one. It's not this one, you see.
It's even bigger.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. This one's a bit too big. So it looks like it is going to be this size. Let's make sure.
You putting this back in?
This is going to have to go back in. If it is the same size.
Keep it there, you can see it.
Have you got get the measuring thing?
Yeah.
So my brother's specialist measuring tool. Let's measure the old one first. So this is hold on, 14 millimeters, and the one that's going in is 14 millimeters. So we've done good there. We've ordered it by checking on the other turbo, and yes, I don't know why I'm putting that back in, because that needs to squash back in first. But first of all, let's give this a clean. So if you grab that screwdriver, I'm going to hold this upside down and just give it a wiggle inside that hole. It's built up with gunk, look at that.
Yeah.
What bits are they? It's like rust and whatnot. Rust with a bit of bits in it. The bits are not good in there. Need water flowing in there. Keep the turbo cool.
You can change the other one as well.
No, the other one doesn't need changing.
How come this was cracked?
It's gone rusted for some reason. Okay, we're gonna give that a clean out and then we'll be back in a minute. If you look inside there, that top one's got a fair bit of gunk in it. So we're just going to clean all that out. So you just squeeze it, yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
See if this front housing comes off. Watch it now, yeah? Slowly, slowly, it's gonna spin. Back. Slow.
Are you ready to go?
Huh? Now, check his head out. There you go. But yeah.
You look a bit shocked.
Yeah, look at him, man. This is what spins. Woo, woo. It's working, and it's coming out the plug as well. So these car plugs must hold the water, that would. Water's coming out the car plug, look. So when inserting the car plug, what you want to do is just get a piece of sandpaper and just make sure that the hole is nice and smooth in there. It's in it. So when the car plug does sit, just cleans it out nicely. I'm just using a 800 grit sandpaper, and I'm just cleaning it up, make sure it's got no grease on this, because I am going to be using this gasket cement on the, oh, see how strong it is. Sorry, it's leaking out. Whoa, some strong stuff, eh? Look at that. Huh? Yo, that must have been, this must be dried up gunk. We literally just want a little smear on here. that rhymed. Just want a little smear. It's right, strong stuff this. Just help it. You're supposed to use RTV silicone, but I didn't have none. So I've just got this gasket cement thing, which looks really good anyway. You know, it holds itself in with it being a tight fit anyway. But let's just I just thought I'll put a bit of silicone on it, just for it to give it that extra bit of protection. Yes, I've got a little bit of silicone on it. Let's hold this up so it's straight. Just hold it there. Right. Just gonna put some on under the turbo just to keep it straight. That's straight-ish. Now all you do is get the socket. Oh, might need a little bit smaller socket because that's. Let's see if it will do it. Hold on, actually. See if it will just tap it in nice. Yep, just a little bit more. A little bit on this side. Is that level? Down a touch more, do you think?
Yeah.
Down a little bit more. Okay. Yeah?
Yeah.
On this side a bit. A little bit more. I think that one's in a bit more, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let's touch it and just give it a nice little. Run it even. Yeah?
Yeah.
On this side. This side a little bit more, isn't it?
Yeah.
That side's a bit lifted. That's it, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah? So that's both core plugs in.